Hey, what's up everyone? It's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to pair your Bluetooth device with your Ferrari. The model shown here is a 488 Spider. So first, what you want to do is have your key with you in the vehicle. We're going to put it on the rest down there. And then we're going to hit the start button without your foot on the brake. Just in case you're in a garage or something, you want to suffocate on the gases. So once the infotainment is on, you're gonna go on this larger dial here. If you're not already on that menu, you can press main, which brings you to the main screen. And then what we're gonna do is turn the dial to media, and then we're gonna press on it. Right now it says no device connected. Do you wish to pair a device? You can click yes. If it doesn't say that, let me bring it back here. If that message doesn't prompt up, it'll say connected device. And what you can do is just press enter. And then what we're gonna do is add device, which is the first option up top. So now if you go on your phone, it should show up under Bluetooth discovery devices. If I go on Bluetooth here, let's see, it should come up on available devices. Actually, I paired it earlier with the vehicle, so there it is, Ferrari. But if it's not already on your list, you go on discovered devices and you click pair. Right now, make sure the pass key matches 327143. On my screen as well, 327143. We're gonna hit pair, and then we're gonna hit enter because it matches. Now it's pairing in progress. It says connected for calls and audio on my phone. Do you want to make it your favorite device? Sure. Anyways, that's how you pair your Bluetooth device to your Ferrari. Hope this video helped you guys out. Please like and subscribe for more videos.